Hi, I'm Marianne. Today I'm back with yet another video on boutique developments. With a collection of only 54 exclusive units and located at 18 Tomlinson Road, this development exudes prestige like never before. Presenting to you this wonderful development, Park Nova. As a resident of Park Nova, you'll enjoy the privilege of a communal planter, perfect for those with a green thumb. Create your very own garden oasis right outside your doorstep. Isn't that great? Welcome to your next dream home. Here we have a landscape living and dining area, providing ample space for you and your loved ones. And for those who love cooking, the enclosed kitchen is a chef's dream. Equipped with top-notch Miele appliances and ample storage, this is the perfect space for you to unleash your culinary creativity. The clever layout incorporates a large balcony, offering breathtaking views and allowing natural light to flow in. Don't you just love the sophisticated elegance of Park Nova? Well, limited units are available. Call me at 8042-4206. My name is Marianne and I'll see you soon.